Hey guys, in this video you're going to learn exactly step by step how to download the Google Drive app on your iPhone or iOS device. So you want to go to the home screen and find your App Store app. Click in there. For me it's in the top in the middle right of my home screen. From there you want to go down to the bottom right, the search page, and click the slightly grayed out Games, Apps, Stories and More button. From there, that's going to let you type in your app that you want to download. For us, it's Google Drive. Type that in, select the first option. That's going to give you a bunch of different apps right here that you can download. As we want to download Google Drive, click in here, Google Drive, online backup, and then there's a sort of download button, or in my instance, since I've downloaded it previously, it shows up as a cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow. You want to hit that button and it's going to download the Google Drive app. I'm going to come back in a little second when this has completed. Okay, so the app has now been downloaded on your iPhone, and it's going to give you the option to open the app. So click the open button, and that's going to let you open the Google Drive app on your iPhone. From there you can hit the sign in button and basically sign in to whichever Google account that you want to use. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If this has been helpful, please consider subscribing. Thanks.